Hey there, welcome back again to my channel. Are you that mom that's looking for simple hairstyle for your princess? Watch as I transform this hair from this style to this hairstyle. This is the hairstyle you don't need much time and you don't need to add anything. Like, this is a natural hairstyle you can easily create for your little one. And as you can see, this style is so beautiful and it's very easy to do. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can easily style this hairstyle. All you need for this hair tutorial today is just a black rubber band, color rubber band, and hair clip. That's all we are going to need. And you're also going to need hair gel or edge control, styling gel or edge control, whichever way, whichever one that you want. Even hair cream, you can use it on this hairstyle. So are you ready? Come on, let me walk you through. Let's get started. After I moisturize the hair, then I'm going to just section it just from this down. But what I did first, I apply a little gel just to smoothen the edge. Then after that, I'm going to section it just the way I'm going to start lining it, just like so, like this. So I'm going to take it from this side to the other side. So I use edge control to clear the parts. Then I'm going to make sure it's very clear. Like, I will use my comb to clear it very well. This is my take comb. Then just like so. Then I'm going to section it to this way. And I'm going to make this one too. Yeah, I'll weave it first, just like so. I hope your rubber band is ready. Weave it like one, just one, second one, two, three, four. Then the fifth one, that's where I stop. Then I'm going to use rubber band to secure that edge, which is the place where I stopped. Then before I start using the same another rubber band but black to finish it, I use it twice, just like so. So the amount you use is optional. You can make yours, which is I'm talking about the bonds, you can make it three, or it depends on the length of the hair. Okay, and also if the hair is not long enough and you like this hairstyle, the way I'm weaving it now, you can weave it, but you will add kicking afro to it, so it is to give you exactly this style. So by the time you weave it along with it, the way I did mine now, it will look like it's a natural hairstyle. But today I'm just doing her natural hairstyle, just like so. Just keep watching and see the way we do it. I didn't use more edge control on this hair tutorial. I just decided to do more of natural stuff. I only use edge control on the edges of the hair. Inside, I did use edge control. So I just spray it, and yeah, just like so, because her hair is long. So I don't even need to use more of edge control on this hair. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your support, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this hairstyle, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my 20 subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all. So do you see the way I section the front? I section it into two parts, and each part I'm going to be making it into three. First, I weave one, and the second one I put it inside, and but I didn't weave it along with the second one. I only just weave it on top of it. You see it? I didn't weave it. See, it's still there. So just like so, I'll just keep weaving that one, and because I'm going to add that one to the front, The reason for this, I just want the hair to be still three front. It's going to be two at the end, but I just want um if you see the hair, you see like it, as if I do cornrow, but it's not cornrow. So that was my reason for doing this. And after I finish weaving the hair, I use rubber band to secure it, and I make sure I separate it from the other one so that, yeah, you see the way I do it now. So I'm going to go ahead and put it inside the other one, just like so. So this way now, I'm going to weave it along with this one in the front. So I'm going to be getting two. I section in three, but I'm going to get two at the end because I'm going to weave it along with this. See the way I do it now. So it's the same thing I'm going to do on the other side. Yeah, just like so. So I section this front into three, but I'm getting two. Yeah, I'm getting two of it. So after this, I use rubber band to secure it black first, to secure that first part, and after that I started using colored rubber band on this front. So if you want this hairstyle to really come out very well, I recommend you use first black and use a few colored rubber bands so that will make it look unique and, yeah, and beautiful. Even like this, you can keep the hair, you can decide to just carry the hair like this, so just the way it is, but I'm going to wrap it. Here is the wrapping. So you see the two I do at the beginning, I'm going to add it to just like this. Use color rubber bands to hold it. So because I don't want to use more of color rubber band, I want it to look, it to be coming out very little. So I attach it to the other one, and I use color rubber band to hold it like this. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it the same process, but this one is going to be into four. Cross it like this, cross it like this. This is how I did it. And this one, I'm not going um to join it to any hair. I'm just going to start going ahead and start tipping them together, like put the tip together, wrap it, put the tip together, wrap it, just like this. Use a rubber band to hold it. Then I'm going to hold all the tip together like so. So because it's a natural hair, the back hair will not go to the front, and that is why I kind of wrap it with the one before I start joining everything together. You see the way it come out to be now. So I was just putting all the tips together. So this is the reason why I did not pack the tip. I twist the tip so I can be able to use rubber band to hold all of them later. See the way it is. So now after I finish joining the tips together, I just use rubber band to secure it very well. I think I used twice. Yeah. Then I shorten it. It was so perfect, like so. Now, this front, now that I have the two, I'm going to bring the other two to this side. Then I'm going to join it with the three, with the other first one. I will use rubber band to secure three together. Then I will leave one aside. The reason why I'm leaving this one is because I'm going to use that one, but I will still put it inside. I will not use rubber band to tie it at first because I want to use it to twist the hair, because before you twist it, you need to have a two. I'm going to use to twist just like so. See, so now I have two tip. I will pull that one inside the other side, and I bring the other one, then twist it together. So after I twist it, I will use rubber band again to make sure I secure it very well so that it will not go off, just like so. But I'm going to use rubber band to hold it first, like this, black rubber band. Then after I use the rubber band to secure it this way, then I'm going to go ahead to use hair clip to hold it, just like so. See, the hairstyle is so simple and so easy to follow. So I just added more a clip just to make it colorful. That's all, nothing more. So one clip already secure it. So tell me what you think about this hairstyle. See how happy she is. And I want to know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. And please, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Also share to your friends and family. Tag your loved ones, or the one that also have kids that would like to try natural hairstyle. And yeah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So give this a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. My name is Susan, a mom of 4 girls, and live here in Germany. See you in my next video. Bye for now.